everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a delicious sweet treat. This is Beetlejuice inspired. It is puffed corn, but you can do this same concept with popcorn, and I'm coating it in some vanilla melt. So delicious, and I'm sprinkling on top of there some of our Beetlejuice colors. I've got some green and black Halloween confetti sprinkles there. So yummy. All right, let's make this delicious treat perfect for your Beetlejuice screening. All right, let's grab our supplies. We are using 10 ounces of puffed corn, vanilla almond bark, and sprinkles. We're gonna add our puffed corn to a large bowl. And remember, you can do popcorn here as well. Then we're gonna melt our almond bark at 30-second intervals. And to do that, I'm gonna cut it up into some smaller pieces and add it to a microwavable glass Pyrex. You can use a glass bowl, anything here that is microwavable. Now I'm gonna microwave this at 30-second intervals. I like to microwave it, pull it out, give it a little mix, see where we're at until it's really creamy and melted. Now it's so simple, we're just gonna pour that on top of the puffed corn, give that a good stir, really get each little piece coated. I like doing the vanilla here. You could obviously do chocolate if you wanted to, but this vanilla tastes so good with the puffed corn. Now go ahead and add in your sprinkles, and I do this in intervals. I put a little bit of the sprinkles in, give it a mix, and then I add a little bit more of the sprinkles. We're gonna continue to do this until the whole thing is combined. Then we're gonna turn this out onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet for cooling. It takes about 2 hours for the whole thing to cool and for all of your vanilla bark to harden back up. This is a great simple treat that's family friendly. Kids can help make this. Spread that out into one thin layer. If you wanted to add a few more sprinkles here, you could. Just kind of top the whole thing off with some of that nice bright Beetlejuice color. And then we're gonna let that cool. Once it's cool, it will break apart. You could baggie this up into individual bags and give it as a treat, or you can do like we're doing and add it to a bowl and have it as a Beetlejuice night screening treat. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me today. Check the description box down below for this easy, simple recipe. And now I think I'm going to enjoy some. So good. Bye, you guys.